Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax, coming to you with a 2017 Scout 231 XS. The perfect boat for this area. It's what you would call a traditional bay boat, and Scout really knocked it out of the park on this boat. If you look at the front of the boat, you can see there's storage everywhere. They've got rod locker storage on both sides. They've got a huge storage compartment here with room for 3 trolling motor batteries and a lockdown for a Yeti. And as we close all these storage compartments here, and they've all got insulators around them, you'll notice that this is a huge casting platform in front of us. Rod holders on 2 sides here. There's a trolling motor plug that's pre-rigged and an anchor locker. And this is a great place to be casting when you're out in the bay fishing. And of course, they've doubled up cup holders with rod holders as well. Really a lot of innovation in this boat. You've got a plug for your onboard charger for your trolling motor. And this is actually a bait well here that could double as a cooler with a fresh water fill there. As we pull up this helm, we've got this large storage compartment built into the helm itself with access to your radio head unit and a bunch of storage compartments that access the back of your electronics panels. And you could actually put a porta potty down here if you chose to and have that as well. With a forward-facing seat optioned out and some luxurious upholstery from Scout that you've come to accept. On both sides of the T-top, you've got rod holders built in. Of course, the full T-top with canvas on it. As we come back to the helm, they've put some great technology in this leaning post here. This flips up out of the way for those of you that like to stand, or you can pull it down for more comfort and sit. You've got plenty of space here for a large electronics display. This boat comes pre-equipped with a jack plate that we've already put on the boat to get that motor up out of the water when you're running skinny. You've got a Yamaha 300 horsepower with digital throttle and shift on this boat. So really tons of power, great boat, very well equipped, luxurious that you'd expect from Scout, tilt steering, etc. All your switches here. As we move back, they've used the back of the boat grade as well. You've got a live well on this side. Of course, the boat's equipped with raw and freshwater rinse downs. You've got a flip up forward-facing rear seat outfitted in that same upholstery that we've come to expect, as well as on this side, you've got another bait well built in. So tons of places for bait, tons of rod holders, great fishability. Jack plate's already on there. Just add your electronics and you're ready to go fishing. This is a 2017 Scout 231 XS. Come see us at MarineMax Houston today.